Yo-ho! Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix 100% disk usage on your Windows computer. This will also boost your overall performance and speed. Let's begin. First, open the Start menu and search for Services. Alright, Services. Then left click on this. We need to find Connected Devices Platform. So scroll down a bit and you will see it under this section. Okay. So right click, go to properties, then startup type, make sure it is disabled. Click stop. Once done, click on apply. OK. Next, we're going to do the same. Just scroll down and we need to find SysMain. Right, scroll down to the S section. Over here, right click, go to properties, same, disabled. Click stop, click apply, and then OK. Next, we need to make sure that Windows is up to date. So go to your Start menu, check for any available updates Windows has for you. If it looks like this, then you're good to go. There's no need to update anything. Then we need to run specific commands to repair your computer. Now we need to run specific commands. Just type cmd, make sure to run as the administrator. And we just need to run SFC scan now. I'll provide the command on the screen right now. Hit enter. This might take a few seconds. And once done, it will automatically show you if there's any corrupted files that needs fixing, and it will automatically repair those for you. Now, this is going to be the next command. This will actually check for any errors in your disk. All right. Click enter. Then it will show you this message. Just type in Y to confirm. It will automatically restart your computer and run a diagnostic that may take a few minutes. Just make sure to not press any keys to disable skipping any sections on your disk. Once done, it will boot up your computer. Go ahead and check, refresh, and see everything has now been fixed. And that's it. After the restart, your disk usage should drop back to normal and your computer should feel much faster. I hope you found this video very helpful.